YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with, sorry about the sound, Dollar Tree haul. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you snacks that was up in here too, because I'm getting rid of my snacks. I just tried this out because I just had it for the first time. I mean, the first time I saw it, I just tried it. Anyway, so, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, Happy New Year. And if you're not somebody who's been here before, please like and subscribe and continue to follow me. You will see videos on different paper crafts, mainly from scrapbook, cards, mini albums, all the kind of things like that, and plenty of hauls. Although I'm a slowly here. Picked it up from my grandson, and then picked this up too. Little curly things, make your hair curl. Little sponge. So thought that might be nice. So tiny little haul, but what I did pick up was some wood pieces, and of course, you know, they had these in the wood, the pink and the red, those lips, those little roses. These that say love, and these that say love. I did pick this up. Oh, this is in the cake decorating part. I've already showed you guys the little scrapers that they have that you can scrape the icing with, which you can use in your mixed media projects, as well as this can be used in mixed media. This can be used with clay. This could be used as a stylus to make your flowers dimensional, different things like that. But this is a 3-set plastic for $1, but this will really work great with clay as well. But anyway, so that's why I picked this up. This is a cake decorating tool set. So yeah, think outside the box when you're at Dollar Tree. There's a lot of things that you can use for other items there. And I should have a fourth one. It wasn't in my bag, so it probably fell out in the car maybe. But there's a red one. So this is some garland, as you can see. So it's in pearl, and has it in pink, and they have it in red and hot pink, and I don't know where my red one is at. It's in my bag. I just took everything out, so it must have fell out in the car. But I know I paid for it. Hopefully I didn't leave it at the store. And then these were this 3D shaker, puffy shakers. I didn't need them. Probably shouldn't have got them. But anyway, they had these little shakers, and these have things like Forever in Love, February, Being, Valentine, Love is True, you know, that kind of stuff. Same thing on this one. This is another one. Like, these are more like the stamp ones with Happy Meal kind of stuff on it. And then these have a banner on it. It says Be Mine and all that kind of stuff. Oh. So, you know what? I thought this was a different stamp set. That's because the plastic came off of there. It's the same thing. Messed up. Anyway, so that's what they got. I thought it was 3 ones, but ended up with 2. That's weird. But anyway, so there's these little shakers. And I think that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing and stopping by. Feel free to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.